Assalamu alaikum. Uh, Welcome to all of you in another new video. Interview question and answer session part 6. This is the video number 6. So in this video I will try to discuss about the ITP. So in interview what type of question I asking regarding the ITP. So all the things I will try to cover in this video. So before starting the question and answer session I will show you one sample ITP. After that we will come back to the question pattern, what type of question they are asking during interview. So if you understand the purpose of the ITP and what is the ITP, then you will easily able to understand, and you will be able to answering all the questions regarding the ITP. So okay, I will share with you one sample ITP. So after that I will discuss all the questions. So on screen we are seeing on sample ITP. Okay, so okay, then this sample ITP. So this is the sample ITP for piping inspection and test plant. So this ITP for piping. So what is the ITP? ITP is inspection and test plant. Okay, so what are the information is available in this document? So if we see in this document what are the information is available. So first things we can see the description of the activities. So what type of activities we need to perform during the inspection or the project execution, all the things here is the mention. Then inspection and test type, what type of inspection and test we need to do, these are the things this column is mentioned. Then document reference number, what type of document we are using for the inspection or reference, all the things here have mentioned. Okay, so this is the sample only. Then another thing is the intervention point of an endorsement, contractor and client. So if there is the more parties, so that column may be here added. So after that the remarks is here, remarks column is here. Okay, so if we go through one by one, just I will show you the sample. So ITP, what is ITP? We already know this is the inspection test plan. So what are the information is available in this ITP? So this type of question they can ask. So we can say this question answer. So answer is in ITP mention all the process step by step and intervention point. So what is the intervention point? Like if I show you online, here is the review of the engineering document as per project required. So this is the activity. Okay, so this is the activity. Here we can see the intervention point, review for client, review for contractor. So what is the R? R means is the review. So what is the meaning of the review? So I will explain to you next later. Okay, then just here have the step by step inspection point. So material receiving inspection, for example. So material receiving inspection, this is the witness point for the contractor and review front point for the client. Okay, so this type of point here is mentioning. So what is the meaning of W? So these are the things I will explain to you. So if I show you one more things here, the fee type inspection. So if you go the fee type inspection, then contractor is the whole point and client is the witness point. Okay, so what is the meaning of whole point, what is the meaning of witness point, these all the things I will explain to you. Okay, so here I will simplify these things, then you will able to understand. So during answering the question during interview, always try to explain your own language. Own language means whatever you have understand, that the things you try to explain. Don't memorize any answer, just whatever you understand, that one you explain to them. Okay, so in this sample ITP we already see. So what have in this ITP? First of things, if I repeat again, what is the meaning of ITP? ITP meaning is the inspection and test plan. So what are the information is available in ITP? So in the things in this question we can answering for this question in ITP mention process by process, step by step inspection or document review step by step points. Okay, so there have the some intervention point like witness and review point. So witness review, then whole point, then surveillance monitoring, this type of intervention is there. Okay, then if I go through the down uh, one more things I show you here, the while inspection of visual. Okay, visual inspection of oils. So visual inspection oil, the whole point for contractor and witness point for client. So these the things is here. So intervention point, this is the intervention point. So if I summarize these the things, so I can tell the what is the purpose and what is the information available in ITP. So in ITP mention document and inspection intervention point and stage by stage all the process mentioned in this document. Then what type of process, who will be responsible is specified in this document like review, monitoring, surveillance, witness and whole point. So these the things in mentioned in ITP. Okay, so let's see what is the uh, review point. So they can ask you what is the review, what is the surveillance, what is the monitoring, what is the home point. So these are the things they can ask you in interview, during interview. Okay, so if I show you this in this document is below, downside here have the mention. Okay, legend H means whole point. So what is the meaning of whole point? Whole point, work shall not proceed without attendance of the designated quality representative. So what did this mean? This means is the whole point is if you call for inspection, so this inspection must be called official inspection. Okay, request for RFI or RFI request for inspection. So this type of inspection normally we request to client for inspection 24 hours before or 48 hours before as per the project requirement. So what is the whole point? Whole point is if we call for inspection, so designated quality representative must be attend and release for the next step. And what is the witness point? So witness point, if I tell as per this witness point, quality representative inspection shall be given period notice of witness point. Work proceed if the quality representative inspector does not attend after formal notification. Okay, this means what? Witness point means what? So witness point is we call for the inspection is officially, but quality representative not come is in time. So after the time is over, so we can proceed for the next step. Okay, so this is the witness point. And VM means verification and monitoring. So we can say that surveillance also. So observing or monitoring the work. So observing, monitoring uh, the work, inspection or test a frequency as demand necessary by quality representative. So monitoring or surveillance, this is the quality representative can perform anytime. The review, when come the review, that is come to the document type like procedures, drawings, project quality plan, MOS, this type of document. So before proceeding the any activities, we need to get approval some documentation. So that is come to the review point. Okay, so review vendor subcontractor documents, review drawing, procedure, inspection or test results. So this is the review point. Okay, so this is the point actually is mentioned in the ITP. So if I summarize this all the things, I will show you in my slide. Okay, one second. Okay, so now we are able to understand what is the ITP and what is the purpose of ITP. So what type of question asking in the during interview, these are things I repeat taking like what is ITP. So we already know what is the ITP, inspection and test plan. Then what type of ITP, another question they can ask you in during interview, what type of ITP have you used in your workplace. So just to try to remember what type of ITP you are using in your workplace, like piping ITP, then structural ITP, painting ITP. So this type of whatever ITP you have used in your workplace, just mention, just tell that one. Okay, this type ITP I have used in my workplace. don't tell anything whatever you are not using, because when you tell I use piping ITP, then they maybe can ask you what are the information is available in piping ITP. So maybe you can give that time you need to tell them there have the document review, then like just give the example, there have the piping fit up inspection, what will be the fit up inspection criteria, activities of fit up inspection, then who is the witness point, who is the whole point, visual. So in your workplace what type of ITP use, that on you only mention. Okay, then another question they maybe can ask you, what type of information is available in ITP and what is the purpose of ITP. So I already discussed already the before, so I repeat again. So this question maybe you can answer very simply. The in ITP mention the step by step, process by process activities. Okay, then intervention point, who will the responsible for which type of works. So who will be the witness point, who will be the monitoring point, who will be the whole point. So these the things specified in ITP. Okay, so I think you are already able to answer this question. Then another things, the what is the review, what is the surveillance, monitoring, witness, whole point, and explain shortly. So in this question answer already also I already before tell. So after that if I summarize this answer, so when comes to the what is the review point, when comes to the review point, in this point you always try to remember this the talking about the documentation type, like procedure, method of statement, then project quality plan, so welder certificate review, these type of things, then the report signing on review. So when comes to the review, this all is the involved to the documentation. Okay, so surveillance and monitoring already I tell. The after that also surveillance monitoring, this is the as per the project quality control plan, the client anytime can do the surveillance. So this is the surveillance point. So this is the, we can say, the unscheduled inspection. Okay, this is not scheduled inspection, this is the unscheduled inspection. So we can tell this word during the answering, then they will understand, yes, you know about the surveillance and monitoring. So this is the surveillance and monitoring is the unscheduled inspection performed by the client. Okay, then witness. So what is the witness point? So witness point is if I give an example, I call for the inspection before 24 hours or 48 hours. Officially I call for inspection like tomorrow 12 p.m. have one inspection. So this is the time for the inspection. So if client inspector or quality representative not come in place 12 p.m., so I can proceed. I can proceed this activity, and we can do the another activity related to these same things. That means the if quality representative not come at 12 p.m., that means this inspection is already he accepted, and you can do the next part. Okay, then whole point for this, if you call the inspection is earlier the officially, but client is not come is 12 p.m., so you cannot go for the next step. You need to wait until this quality representative can come, or he give the clearance the writtenly, or he give the clearance for do the next step. That means he is accepting these things. Okay, this is the whole point. So witness point and whole point, these 2 points is sometimes confusing, so I hope you already understand. Whole point is you cannot proceed without quality representative performing the inspection or give the clearance. Witness point, you can proceed after the expire the your inspection time. Okay, this is the, you can explain this way shortly, then they will think, okay, you are understand about this all the process. Okay, so this uh, regarding the ITP, if you face any other type of question asking you during the interview, maybe you can share with me, then I will try to answer your question. So okay, so today I want to close this video is here. See you soon in next video. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.